Stop releasing mass production the moment your first samples pass inspection. Sounds wrong? I know, samples passed. What else is there to wait for? Let me tell you what Kavita discovered. Kavita, a supplier quality engineer at an automotive tier 1, approved first samples from a new forging vendor. 5 pieces, all dimension cleared, hardness in specification. She released production the same week. The first volume lot of 2000 pieces arrived a month later. 11% failed inspection. She called the vendor, confused. Your samples were perfect. Then what happened? What happened is the difference between making 5 good pieces and making 2000 of them. Hello, I am Rahul Agarwal, Managing Director at Precisitech Forgings and Engineering Private Limited, and I help procurement teams source forgings without costly mistakes. First samples are made under special conditions. The best operator runs the press. The process engineer stands beside the machine. Every piece is measured as it comes off. The samples that reach you are the best the vendor can produce with full attention on 5 pieces. Mass production is a different world. Regular operators rotating shifts, the engineer elsewhere. The die heats over a long run, dimensions drift, billet temperatures vary. Sample approval prove the vendor can make your part. It does not prove they can keep making it repeatedly, unattended and at volume. That gap between capability and repeatability is exactly where Kavita's 11% came from. So, what should a proper sample approval process include before you release mass productions? 4 stages, not 1. Stage 1, standard sample inspection. Full dimensional layout on every callout. Hardness, material certificate and a macro edge if the part is fatigue critical. This confirms capability. Most buyers stop here. Do not. Stage 2, a pilot lot. Order a production condition run of 100 to 300 pieces. Regular shifts, regular operator, no engineer hovering. Inspect on a sampling plan. This tests the process, not the people. Stage 3, capability data from the pilot lot. Ask for the measurements across the lot on critical dimensions, not 5 readings and a proper sample. You want a CPK above 1.33. A process can be in tolerance today and still be drifting toward failure. Capability data shows the drift before it reaches. Stage 4, a frozen control plan. The vendor documents the exact parameters that produce the pilot lot. Billet weight, temperature, press settings, inspection frequency and commits to run production on these settings, notifying you of any change in advance. Kavita rebuilt her approval process around these 4 stages. Her next vendor development took 3 weeks longer to release. The first volume lot had a rejection rate of 0.4%. 3 weeks of patience, 11% fewer problems every lot for years. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how a vendor's design input before tooling can save you crores at scale. See you in my next video.